So talk to me a little bit about this amazing place. You've not owned it long, but wow, you've really put your stamp on it. So tell me a little bit about this Villa Appalaccia.
Sure. So I had made the decision to retire a few years ago and looking for something to do. And we fell in love with this place. First and foremost, it's the wine. Yeah. 30 years of what I consider to be higher end quality winemaking by the previous owner. Yeah. But secondly, the thought of just living up here really appealed to us.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
We're in the middle of actually towards the tail end of our 4th harvest already.
Wow.
And having a blast. And Julie is our winemaker.
So did you ever anticipate that, Julie, being in the nursing industry?
Never. No, we sort of just jumped into it. And like you said, we're at the tail end of our 4th harvest. However, we've really only been doing this 3 years. So we jumped in right before harvest season. Yeah. So it was like, you know, baptism by fire. and yeah, we had great instructors.
Good. Well, and you've got chemistry kind of as a background being in nursing. So did you feel natural doing that? Was it something that was a steep learning curve?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, I mean, there's nothing natural about fermenting food and then putting it in your body, in my brain. No, but it definitely came. We had really good resources, and so it came as a natural progression.
That's great. Well, when you have amazing fruit, it's easier to make amazing wine, right? Yeah, because it's hard to make good wine out of bad fruit. You've got amazing fruit.
Thank you.
Yeah. So how far down the mountain do you grow? Because I know this is pretty high.
Yeah, right. The Italian varietals in particular don't tend to do well at this elevation. I think they tried early on, but pretty quickly determined too much frost, too much rain up here. We're at 3,400 feet. The vineyard is a good 1,600 feet lower, about 40 minutes by car down the valley. Yeah. And we bring all the grapes up here during harvest, and the crush pad is right in back, and we do all the crushing and pressing and you know, the fermenting here.
Yeah. Well, and you grow some different grapes from others throughout the state. So we're tasting the Primitivo, you have the Aglianico, and oh my goodness, Pinot Gris, which is hard to grow in Virginia. Mm-hmm. Yes. So great wines, yeah.
We've also got Montepulciano and Vermentino, some Malvasia promises. So yeah, they did plant original Italian grapes and then, you know, grafted them onto the Virginia rootstock, and we're happy to have inherited this.
Well, and you have a lot of really cool things here. Like you've got your pizza oven, you have events on Sunday where you do pizzas. How neat is that for this community? I mean, my goodness.
Yeah, I think it's, first of all, it's fun. Yeah. That's my background. Yeah. But, you know, obviously the wines has to be at the forefront, first and foremost. We're going to continue to make the best wine we can.
To your family, to your future, thank you, and salud.
Salud.
Thank you.